Here we have a blue Holmes desk fan. I'm guessing it's just a box fan or whatever. I don't even know what the hell to call this fan. But it looks really cool, honestly. It kind of looks a bit more like a heater than a fan, as you can see. It doesn't tilt. It's just a stationary fan. It kind of looks similar to my Holmes Blizzard Junior, the pivoting air circulator. But the Blizzard Junior actually just, yeah. It costed the same amount, $8. It's got the same blade. And it's even got a Holmes logo on it. But it looks like a heater, like I said. And then, of course, we got an Alaska windstorm, which is nice. It's honestly flat. There's the back of it. I believe this is also wall mountable. Probably isn't. But it's there. I do kind of like it. And it's also got the original cord too. This is from I don't know where it's from, but it's model made in China, of course. Not sure when the date is, but yeah, this is my 4th Holmes fan, like I said. So let's plug this thing in and see how it runs. If I can even... I don't think I can plug it into the power strip, so we have to settle for plugging it into an outlet, a wall outlet. There we go. So let's go ahead and okay, I do know the speeds. Okay, let's start with low. Sounds kind of like that Holmes Classic table fan that I have, as you can hear. And it is pushing out a good breeze, but like all small Holmes fans, these don't blow a whole lot of air. And here's high. There's a significant drop difference between speed, which is nice. I've never seen it like this before. I'm glad I got it. So, yeah, nice fan. And there's off. Spin of time is nice too. It even sounds like a heater too when you turn it on. So there it is, my 4th Holmes 7-inch fan. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next fan video. Peace.